Hi everyone, once again, welcome to Hindi Learning Made Easy Communication Series. This is lesson 1.6. In our previous lessons, we have learned how to interact with a stranger or someone about whom you know very little by asking their names, address, and other contact details. In this video, you will learn more ways to communicate in addition to the previous lessons. If you have not watched my previous videos, please click the link given below in the description box and watch those videos first. I always want you to keep a notebook and pen ready with you. Note down the words and sentences which you learn in this lesson. Also, when I repeat a word, speak the word with me. I have made lessons very small and very compact to make the language interesting and easy. So let us start without wasting any more time. Let us learn few words to support our conversation. We have already learned the word engineer, which is engineer in Hindi. Speak with me. Engineer. Doctor is doctor in Hindi, so it is easy to remember. Let's move to the next word. Next word is and. In Hindi, we say और. Speak with me. और. We know action word is also called verb in English. We always learn basic form of the verb and then when we use this verb in sentences, it changes its form. In Hindi also, first we will always learn the basic form of the verb. Subsequently, when we use this verb in different sentences, we will learn different forms of the same verb. So the first action word or verb is to do. In Hindi, we say it karna. It is the basic form of the verb and please observe basic form of all the verbs will have na at the end and that's why it is highlighted here. So speak with me. Karna. Let us now learn other ways to tell your name. We have already learned what is your name is आपका नाम क्या है and we have also learned to answer my name is Irene. मेरा नाम Irene है. The different way to say your name is I am Irene. In Hindi, we will say मैं Irene हूँ. So, speak with me. मैं Irene हूँ. We have already learned how to say what do you do in previous lessons. But do you know this question is different in Hindi for masculine and feminine? Let us learn first what it will be for masculine gender. It will be in Hindi आप क्या करते हैं? You know karna is the basic form of verb which is changed to करते. Karna is changed to करते. Speak with me. आप क्या करते हैं? Let us now learn what do you do in Hindi for feminine gender. It will be आप क्या करती हैं. To do is karna which is basic form of the verb, it will change to karti for feminine gender. Speak with me. आप क्या करती हैं? As always, now let us learn to use these words and sentences in a dialogue between Irene and Peter. First in English and then in Hindi. Hello.
Hi,
What is your name?
I am Peter. And what is your name?
I am Irene. What do you do, Peter?
I am an engineer. And what do you do?
I am a doctor. Thank you, Peter. See you again.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Let us see how it sounds in Hindi. नमस्कार.
नमस्ते.
आपका नाम क्या है?
मैं पीटर हूँ. और आपका नाम क्या है?
मैं आयरीन हूँ. पीटर, आप क्या करते हैं?
मैं एक इंजीनियर हूँ. और आप क्या करती हैं?
मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. धन्यवाद पीटर. फिर मिलेंगे.
धन्यवाद.
नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
I would request you to practice this dialogue and learn to speak in Hindi. Focus on tone and pronunciation, and whenever I speak the word with me. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. धन्यवाद. फिर मिलेंगे. नमस्ते.